guys, today we're checking out something super exciting. The video is titled Dungka, featuring All-Star SB19, Rico Blanco, wow, ang dami nila, Bini Sheena, G22, and Pure Gold from the OPM Concert 2025. This one's gonna be wild. You shout out. Teka lang. Excuse me. Huge shout out to Mom Miles. Thank you so much. Let's play the video. Wow. Okay. Medyo nakikisayaw si Mom Miles. You can see everyone gathered and look at why they are wearing green outfits. Wow, buti na lang malaki yung monitor natin. Kita-kita natin sila. Oh. This is actually the first one I noticed. He's wearing a black top. And you can literally see him grooving to the beat. Dami nilang dancer. Kasama nila. P-pop price na talaga, di ba? Yes. Nagsama-sama yung mga P-pop group. Their stage presence is super energetic. Wow, ganda ng boses ni Justin. Yes. And did you see Ken? Yeah. He lifted his leg right behind one of the dancers. Wow, tingnan mo si Ken. Ang lambot ng bewang. Yeah. Gotta give kudos to the dancers too. They really bring extra energy to the stage. And of course, SB19 as well. Their dance is insanely powerful. Si Josh! Wow! You can want... Okay, may sinasabi ka? Wala. You won't catch anyone slacking here, yun sinasabi ko. Every single one of them is given their all on stage. They're not just performing, they're like performing. Alam mo, minsan kasi, kapag lagi ka nag-perform dyan, di ba? Parang tatamad-tamad. Di ba may mga ganon? Hindi tayo magsasabi kung sino yun. Oh, sinipa niya yung dancer, pero isa, part na yun, ng sayaw nila. Para siyang makatotohanan kasi. Ooh! That high note! That was insane. Ayan na! Yes. Sino unang guess? Oh. Who are they looking at? Oh! Someone's coming! Oh, wow, who is it? Who is it? Who? Rico Blanco. Rico Blanco. Di ba part siya ng River Maya? Yeah, I think. He's wearing the same outfit as SB19. Nakakatuwa naman. Wow. Did you see Ken? Yeah. Dumila si Ken. Rico dancing, that's awesome. He's doing great too. Si Sheena. Oh, wow. Si Sheena nasa Wow. Sheena just showed up. Ayun na. She's wearing white. Ang gulo. The crowd is going crazy. Oo. Wow, ayun si Sheena. Bababa. Ay, G22. Tatlo, si Alfea, si Jazz. And, wait. Ay, dalawa lang sila. No. Okay, ayun. Parang kita ko. Sino ba yung naka-green? Ito isa. Ito, Ay, naka-ano kasi siya. Ang pangalan? What's the name? AJ. Pero si Sheena, grabe yun. This is so fun to watch. Wow. Kinikilabutan ako. Binigay talaga lahat ni Sheena. Favorite siya ng camera. It's really so nice to see all of them performing together on one stage. I'm so impressed. Yes, and wow. The camera focus on her. Yeah. Kay Sheena. Oo, paborito siya ng camera. Pero okay lang naman. I can't take my eyes off Sheena din naman eh. Her stage presence is just crazy. Kaya siguro nakatutok sa kanya yung camera. And that's it! What an absolutely amazing performance. The energy, the vocals, the visuals, everything was on point. I really love how each other artist na yung talagang yung stage nila, they brought their own flavor. But they all blended together so well on the stage. She totally stole my attention. Alam mo ko sino? Sheena. Yeah. Galing magsayaw. yung moves niya, no? And si Rico rin, no, nag-join sa dance. That was a fun surprise. Honestly, this felt like a true celebration of Filipino talent. For me, I'm giving this performance a solid 10 out of 10. Now it's your turn. What's your
Ang sarap nila
thought?
panoorin. Kasi lahat yan ng P-pop nagsama-sama, di ba? Hindi mo akalain ang P-pop talaga. Right, nagra-rise na talaga sila. Saka yung galawan nila sobrang smooth. Nakakatuwa silang panoorin. And nakakatuwa kasi G22, Bini, SB19, di ba? Nagsama-sama, pati na yung rocker ba si si Rico Blanco? Rocker. Parang hindi mo siya makikita na nagsasayaw, di ba? Ngayon, first time ko siya makita na nagsasayaw. Ang akala ko kasi sa kanya, seryoso siya. Na nagigitar lang. Tapos ngayon, nagsasayaw siya, di ba? Ang astig, di ba? Bibigyan ko sila ng rate.